Hello students of Standard 8. DAV Moyle Public School welcomes you all in e-learning classes. This is your social science teacher Nitin Pushpatode. Today's topic is mineral and energy resources. First of all, we will study about mineral resources. So let's start our today's online session. Mineral resources. Students, nature has provided to us a large variety of natural resources such as rocks, soils, minerals, vegetations, animals, etc. We use these gifts of nature to fulfill our day-to-day needs. All the things on the earth which are necessary for our existence on this planet are known as resources. Now, let us study about the important natural resource, mineral. Students, mineral provide the foundation for economic and industrial development. No country can think of improving its standard of living without utilizing its mineral and energy resources. Students, what do you mean by the minerals? Listen, all rocks contain crystal of naturally occurring chemicals called minerals. That means a mineral is a naturally occurring inorganic element or compound having an internal structure and chemical composition. It's called mineral. Students, how did minerals form? Listen, a mineral may be made up of single element or a combination of more than one element. It's referred as compound. That means students, some minerals are the example of compound. Next point is shapes of minerals. Students, each mineral has its own special shape of a crystal. In the given picture, you are observing, students, some mineral crystals alongside real examples. Yes, some examples of mineral are given in the given picture. Students, in the first row, halite. Halite is an example of mineral. It has cubic shape. Then in the second row, gypsum. It has monoclinic crystal shape. In the third row, zircon is given. It has tetragonal crystal shape. That means students, different minerals have a different shapes. Next point, extraction of minerals. Listen students, minerals are extracted by the processes of mining, drilling and quarrying. Through these three processes, minerals are extracted. Listen students, what do you mean by the first of all mining? The extraction of useful minerals from rock under the earth's surface is called mining. Students, it has two types, open cast mining and shaft mining. First, open cast mining. Open cast mining is a surface mining technique of extracting rock of minerals from the earth by their removal from an open air of pit. Okay, so it's called open cast mining. Students, in our area Dongri Bujruk mine is there, so it is an example of open cast mining. Second type student, shaft mining. Shaft mining refers to the extraction of minerals by constructing horizontal shafts deep within the earth. That means students, from the underground extraction is going on through this type of mining. Students, Chikla mines and Tirodi mine, these are the example of shaft minings. Okay, next process students, drilling of minerals. Listen, what do you mean by the drilling of minerals? Students, drilling is the process of penetrating through the ground and extracting rocks from various depth. Students, it is the another important process of extraction of minerals. Third one students, quarrying. Quarrying refers to extracting materials directly from the surface. That means the process of raking out stones from natural rock beds is known as quarrying. This is the another important process of extraction of minerals. So students, these are the three processes: mining, drilling and quarrying for minerals extracted. Okay students, next point is types of minerals. There are three types of minerals: metallic, non-metallic and mineral fuels. Okay, so first, metallic minerals. Okay students, let us discuss them in some details about that. Okay, metallic minerals, they are hard substances with a shine or luster. Metal obtained from its ore can be molded into any shape. Students, what do you mean by the ore? Yes, metal obtained from its ore. What is the meaning of ore? Listen, a rock having a large concentration of a particular metal mineral is called its ore. For example, iron ore, manganese ore, copper ore, etc. a rock having a large concentration of a particular metal mineral is called its ore. Okay, so students, metal obtained from its ore can be molded into any shape. Metallic minerals can be subdivided into some categories, students, like ferrous minerals and non-ferrous minerals. Okay, students, ferrous mineral, they include iron ore and manganese ore. That means iron ores and manganese ores are included in a ferrous minerals. Second, non-ferrous mineral, they contain metals other than iron. That means ores of gold and silvers are the example of non-ferrous minerals. What are the examples of non-ferrous minerals? Ores of gold and silvers are the example of non-ferrous minerals. Students, to improve the strength of metal, sometimes two or more metals are mixed. This is called an alloy. Students, what do you mean by the alloy? An alloy is a combination of metals or metals combined with one or more other element. It's called alloy. For example, brass is a alloy obtained from the mixture of copper and zinc. Again, bronze is an alloy of copper and tin, and steel is an alloy of iron and manganese. So students, bronze, again steel, and brass, these are the example of these are the examples of alloy. Okay, students, another type is what? Non-metallic minerals. Listen, they don't contain metals. Non-metallic minerals, yes, they don't contain metals. They are lighter than metallic minerals. Students, they cannot be molded into different shapes. Students, generally they included building materials, industrial, and gems. Students, under the building material, sandstone, limestone, granite, basalt, marbles, etc. These are the non-metallic minerals of building materials. Then next, second one, students, industrial, mica, sulfur, potash, salt. These are the non-metallic minerals. Okay. Then third one, gems, diamond, topaz, and emerald, garnet. Okay, these are the example of gems. So students, building material, industrial, gems, these are the types of non-metallic minerals. Okay, next one, students, distribution of minerals in India. Listen, students, the distribution of minerals is highly uneven in the world. It depends on the types of rocks available in a region. Igneous and metamorphic rock are rich in minerals like iron ore, magnesium ore, gold, silver, lead, etc. Mineral fuels are restricted to sedimentary rock. Sometimes agents of gradation such as rivers, okay, such as rivers, then minerals from due to that minerals from one region to another region just deposit there. Okay, so it's called placer deposits. Students, sometimes agents of gradation such as river erode minerals from one region and deposit them somewhere else in the river beds. These are called placer deposits. So students, distribution of distribution of minerals in India in a different manner. Okay, let us now learn about the some distribution of minerals. Students, iron is the backbone of modern civilization. Okay, students, it is used for manufacturing machines, automobiles, rail tracks, electric poles, constructing buildings, bridges, shipbuilding, weapons, agriculture implements, and article of general use. Okay, students, hematite and magnetite are the major types of iron ore. Students, hematite and magnetite, these are the major types of iron ore. Students, in the world, iron is found in Australia, Russia, Brazil, India, Ukraine, Canada, Sweden, etc. It is also found in Iran, Kazakhstan, United States. Students, in India, especially Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Goa, and Maharashtra. Okay, in these states, iron is found. Students, second one is copper. Copper is widely used in electric goods such as generators, wireless systems, electric motors, radio, telephones, electric wires, refrigerator, utensils, etc. Students, in the world, in Chile, Australia, Peru, Mexico, Russia, Congo, and Canada. In these countries, Congo is found. Students, in our country, it is mainly found in Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Jharkhand. Third one, bauxite. Aluminium is obtained from bauxite. Oh, listen students, it is most important. Aluminium is obtained from bauxite ore. It is used in a manufacturing of electric wires, aeroplanes, spare parts of vehicles, pipes, window frames, shutters, then other household goods. Students in Australia, Brazil, Vietnam, Jamaica have a large reservoir of bauxite. It also occurs in Indonesia, China, India, whatever. Students in our country, more than half of the India's bauxite reserves are in Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. The other states which have rich reserves of bauxite are Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. So, students, this is the distribution of minerals in India. Okay, students, next topic is conservation of minerals. Students, listen. Why is conservation of minerals important? Why is conservation of minerals important? Conservation of minerals resource is essential because they are country's valuable possessions. Minerals should be used in a planned and sustainable manner. Technology should be upgraded to allow the use of low grade at low cost. Recycling of metals also result in the conservation of mineral resources. Students, how can we conserve the minerals? Students, how can we conjure the how can we conjure the minerals? Listen, students, by taking some measures we can conjure our minerals. Minerals must be used in a planned and sustainable manner. Then secondly, recycling of metals. Then again, use alternatives of renewable, sustainable, etc. So students, use of efficient methods also of mining and processing to minimize the wastage of minerals. So definitely students, we can conjure conjure the minerals through these techniques. Okay, which techniques? Mining and processing to minimize the wastage, again recycling of metals, again use the alternatives of renewable substitution. Students, conservation stands for the sustainable development without causing damage to the environment. There is an urgent need to avoid the wastage of minerals. Okay students, in such a way that conjure we conjure the minerals. It is the most important thing for us. We should use minerals in a limited manner. Okay students, on the basis of today's content, some assignment question I am giving you. Three question in front of you. You have to write the answer of this question. Students, remaining part of this lesson we will learn in the next online session. Okay students, thank you very much and have a nice day.